Alright, back again. Okay. Now again, this video is to show how to wire up your stereo without through the factory amp. How to bypass the factory amp without getting the wiring harness. Just buying your radio and wiring straight to the automotive. See, these are the plugs for the factory radio. As you can see, I wired and taped. I know it was probably raggedy. I was testing. I'm not gonna fucking fix that shit. I'm tired of doing this shit already. But so it's gonna stay like that. But I will show you how to wire it up. So if you want to do it. So now all these cables are wired up pretty direct, normal. Speakers to speakers, power lines to power lines. I connected my ignition wire along with the positive wire to the positive line because I can't find the ignition. I couldn't find the ignition wire. I got the multimeter up there. I was checking and checking. Couldn't find it. So I'll just have to turn on and off the radio manually without the key, which is fine. Now, what you do is you take this remote wire that would go to your amp, like regular, you know. You would wire that up. So as you see, I got this long cable just going through the middle. I just disconnected it because I'm going to wire it up properly. So this is the remote line. Connected to there. Okay. And now I will show you what else is next. Alright, we're going to show you that it works. So let's connect this. This is connected to there goes the factory radio there. This goes connected to the factory amp in the back. As you see, I got it there. I'll show you where it connects to. So this will be technically like your remote wire. And here, let's see if I can get this to show you what I'm doing here. So that's the one going to the amp over there. This one here is the one going to the remote wire. And boom. Music. Alright, now let's go to the back and show you where that goes. Alright, part of my trunk. Alright. Now, these are your connections. On the 2003 Impala I found, this is your input. The blue is your input. The gray one's your output. So all these cables here go into your speakers. And these are all your incoming speakers. This is pretty much everything coming from the back of your radio. The factory radio comes in here. Now that white cable, just the white cable is near there's two orange, two black. Let's see if I can focus it. Focus. That's about the best I could get focused in there. There we go. Alright, so there's two black. There's two black ones. Two orange. And then there's a white. Then you have all these there's another 8 cables. These are your speaker line. The white cable right there is your remote line. Make sure you clip it because there is a negative signal when it's not plugged into the radio. So clip it from wherever the fuck it's connected. Who gives a shit? Clip that motherfucker. Connect your remote wire from your radio as a regular amp to this white line. I would guess if you had another amp, you can wire another wire and connect that to your regular amp. But as far as factory speakers, that's all you gotta do. That's it. Boom. Now I gotta run and hide this wire or whatever. But that's it. That's how you wire up this motherfucker. Let's touch that again. See, this is the line. This is that wire connected to that white line. Sorry, these seats don't go down, so I can't show you that. And this is going to my remote line. That's the white line to the amp in the back. That's my remote line to the radio, the blue wire that would just regularly power your amp. And signal. Everything works. Now as the amp is fully powered up, that's it. Have fun. Enjoy. DVC products.